we are studying chemical properties of halogen derivatives. Some remaining properties are there. Action of silver salt of carboxylic acid or formation of ester. General formula of ester is ROCOR. That is RCOOR. Here, hydrogen atom of carboxylic acid is replaced by alkyl group. What is formula of carboxylic acid? RCOOH. RCOOH. Hydrogen atom of carboxylic acid is replaced by alkyl group. So here formula of ester is RCOOR. When alkyl halide is heated with silver salt of carboxylic acid. Silver salt of carboxylic acid. Again, hydrogen atom of carboxylic acid is replaced by silver. So it is silver salt of carboxylic acid or silver carboxylate. When alkyl halide is heated with silver salt of carboxylic acid or silver carboxylate, then ester is obtained, and side product is silver halide, AgH salt. For example, when methyl iodide CH3I is heated with silver acetate CH3COOH, silver acetate, then methyl acetate is obtained. Methyl acetate CH3COOCH3. Here side product is methyl iodide. Then other example is ethyl bromide. When ethyl bromide is heated with silver salt of acid, that is C2H5COOH. Here silver salt of acetic acid. Now this is silver salt of, next example, that is propionic acid. Silver salt of propionic acid. So here AgPr is side product and our product is C2H5COO C2H5, ethyl propionate. In this way we can take different example. Now next reaction is action of alcoholic ammonia. It is also called as ammonolysis reaction. Here primary amine is obtained. This reaction will repeat in our next chapter, that is amine. When alkyl halide is heated with ammonia in presence of alcohol, means when alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic ammonia, ammonia gas is passed in alcohol under pressure, then primary amine is obtained. Here hydrogen atom of NH3 is replaced by alkyl group, so primary amine is obtained. For example, when ethyl iodide is heated with alcoholic ammonia, then ethyl amine is obtained. Other example is isopropyl iodide is heated with alcoholic ammonia, then here primary amine is obtained. Isopropyl amine CH3CH CH3 NH2. Amine is primary, it is not secondary. Only one hydrogen atom of NH3 is replaced by alkyl group. When one hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by alkyl group, then primary. If two hydrogen atom of NH3 are replaced, then it will become secondary, and when all the three hydrogen atom of ammonia are replaced by three alkyl group, then it is tertiary. So in this reaction only primary amine is obtained, that is ammonolysis reaction. Then other reaction is action of alcoholic potassium cyanide. Potassium cyanide formula KCl. Here there is triple bond between carbon and nitrogen. Potassium cyanide is most poisonous chemical. As earlier we have discussed about it, KCl, most poisonous chemical in the world. What is the formula of potassium cyanide? KCl. When alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic potassium cyanide, then alkyl cyanide is obtained. For example, methyl iodide. When methyl iodide is heated with alcoholic potassium cyanide, then methyl cyanide is obtained. Also other example, when ethyl bromide is heated with potassium cyanide, then ethyl cyanide is obtained. And side product is potassium bromide. In this way, we have taken three reactions. Action of silver salt of carboxylic acid, here ester is obtained. Then action of alcoholic ammonia, here amines are obtained. And action of alcoholic potassium cyanide, alkyl cyanides are obtained.